Guys, so I'm gonna start over here, guys. I got 3 of these beef ribs, guys. I got 2 boxes of classic chicken corn dogs. I have a 4-pound bag of navel oranges. I have a 32 pack of cheese, Anthony Branch. I have 6 of these whole corn of corns. I have 12 of these Van Camps. I have like 6 of these cut green beans. I have a bag of a 5-pound bag of crinkle fries when I don't feel like making fries. I have some chicken breast patties. I have some chicken nuggets, guys. It's like a family pack of chicken nuggets. I have 2 of these fully cooked breast patties. I have 3 bags of drumsticks, chicken drumsticks. I have 2 of these 3 pounds of ground beef. I got a 5-pound bag of potatoes. Those are the regular russet potatoes. I have some extra butter popcorn. I have 2 of these milk chocolate brownie mixes. Y'all, we make brownies a whole lot. We have 2 of the fudge brownies. And 1 of the dark chocolate fudge. 2 of the strawberry mix cakes. And lemon cake. I seen on Sheikah World that she had got these cake mixes on sale, and they got this great value yellow cake. I have 2 of these thick bolognas. I have 1 vanilla frosting. No, that's 2 vanilla frostings and 1 cream cheese. I have 12 of these Van Camps. I think I already said that. I got 2 packs of these fruit and veggie. Fruit and great value fruit and veggie applesauce. It comes with 6 palm peach, 3 bursting berry, and 3 banana rama. I got kids a 6-pack each. I got 6 of these Dr. Peppers for Ashley, Mountain Dew for Antoine, Pepsi for Anthony, orange soda for Aaron. And that's it for this haul. I'm finna come back with another haul in a separate video. Alright, we have some lettuce. We have 2 bags of sweet cherries. Me and Aaron gonna be killing these things. We love cherries. And we have some bread. I got 3 loaves of bread. I just ain't take out nothing but 1. I should have 2 of these hamburger patties, hamburger buns. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, it's in the sink. I don't know how they ended up in the sink. Ashley over there cooking pancakes. She's trying to cook some pancakes. It's okay. You got it. It's okay for it to be like that. We have some. Thank you, Anthony. We have some bananas, 3 bags of sugars. And this is 4 pounds. Ashley over there cooking. This is 4 pounds. We have 3 of these taco shells, great value. 2 of these original barbecue sauce. I probably start making my own barbecue sauce. We'll see. Anyways, we got 2 gallons of milk. That's the other bread. We got a 32 pack of cheese. And this is the carrots from the grocery haul from earlier. And hold on, guys. We have 2 gallons of water that I didn't put over there on the counter yet, but we got 2 3-pound bags of apples. We got an 8-pound bag of, I think it's an 8-pound bag. Let me see. No, we got a 10-pound bag of potatoes. We have 2 of these Sunny D. And I'm finna go ahead and put this milk and this Sunny D in this refrigerator, y'all. Alright guys, so I am about to braid my daughter's hair. I'm watching True Family Game on my phone. And I'm watching TMI on the TV while I'm braiding. Anyways, I'm trying to do my supporting and do my daughter's hair. Don't you guys like this color? I think it's so pretty. Alright guys, I am watching Just Me Cassandra right now. I love her channel. I'm over here just catching up because I gotta catch up in these comments, y'all, because people support me, so I gotta make sure I support back, y'all. All right, guys, so I'm about to make some rice. I'm gonna make some cabbage. I'm gonna make some yellow rice. I'm gonna make some blueberry cornbread. I'm gonna make some cabbage. I'm gonna make some I already said yellow rice, and I'm gonna fry some chicken as well. So right now I'm starting on the rice. I already put 4 cups of water in there, and I'm gonna put 2 cups of rice in there, guys. So this is my measuring cup right here, guys. I'm watching Keisha Kaylee in the background, y'all. So that's what y'all might hear in the background. Oh Lord, I'm trying to open this up. I should have opened this up before I started this video, huh? Let me open this. I'm trying to see if I can poke this up. Hold on, y'all. So I'm finna finish pouring this in. It's 1 cup. 2 cups. I got a 2nd cup right here. Then I'm gonna cover it with the top. Alright guys, so I'm about to wash the cabbage off. I like to wash my cabbage off, y'all. Before I make it, I wash it. And I'll be back after I cut it, guys. And I use all my cabbage. I use the dark and the light cabbage. Alright guys, so I'm about to pour the the dark cabbage at the bottom. I gotta cut some of them pieces down some more. And I don't put water in my cabbage because it's gonna make its own water. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm finna cut some more of the cabbage up. I'm gonna make, guys, I put butter in there, guys. And then next I'm gonna put some salt in here, guys. Show you the salt. And then next I'm gonna put some black pepper in here, guys. And then next I'm gonna put some Body Complete seasoning. Let me show you. And then lastly, I'm just gonna put a little bit of seasoning salt. I don't need a lot because I already put salt in here. That's it. Just a sprinkle. And then I'm gonna stir it until it's like my preferred, the preferred way I like it. Alright guys, for the chicken, guys, the seasoning I'm gonna use first is lemon pepper. Next, I'm going to use Body Complete. Next, I'm going to use some ground pepper. And next, I'm going to use some seasoning salt. That's last.